Herpes is a viral infection that manifests as a painful rash on the skin or mucosa. Vitamin B1 is very useful for treating herpes. The need for vitamin B1 increases considerably if you smoke, drink alcohol, and consume sugar. The same goes for pregnant women, those who are breastfeeding, and those taking birth control pills. If antiacid drugs are taken after meals, the vitamin B1 ingested with food is destroyed. The main sources of B1 are wheat sprouts, whole grains, and yeast. In smaller quantities, it is also present in nuts, pork, milk, and egg yolk. Vitamin B5 is also very important as it develops the immune defense complex by participating in the synthesis of antibodies. B5 is indispensable in the treatment of skin diseases in general. We find B5 in the following foods: cabbage, oysters, milk, eggs, soybeans, tomatoes, sunflower seeds, poultry, cereal sprouts, spinach, liver, and brewer's yeast. Vitamin E is useful for soothing skin irritation, also in the form of a cream for topical use. Garlic can also be helpful as it has an antibacterial and antiviral action. If you have a tendency to herpes, you should limit your intake of chocolate and nuts and increase your intake of apples instead. Sometimes, herpes manifests in situations of prolonged stress. In these cases, the intake of magnesium is recommended. The main sources are peas, chickpeas, lentils, beans, almonds, whole grains, spinach, and arugula.